Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Concept Clear. In today's class, we'll discuss about sensor cloud in the subject of fundamentals of IoT. Here, what is meaning of sensor cloud? Sensor cloud is nothing but very simple. How the cloud is interacted or integrate or interconnected with wireless sensor networks. Okay, very simple. Sensor cloud is nothing but how the cloud computing model that integrate with sensor networks, wireless sensor networks. Okay, see here, sensor cloud, it is a advanced topic. It is advanced cloud computing model. Okay, it is advanced cloud computing model. How it integrated with wireless sensor networks. Wireless sensor networks is called sensor cloud. Okay, with the help of cloud computing, it provides scalability. Okay, with the help of WSN, it provides scalability, real-time and remote monitoring solutions. Okay, provide scalability, and next one is the real-time and remote solutions. Remote solutions. Okay, it enables data collection, data storage and processing of sensor data from various resources. Okay, here it enables what are the services means collection, storage, processing of sensor data from various sources, sensors data from various resources. Okay, such as what are the various resources means, such as smart cities, healthcare and industrial applications. What about these all? These all are under IoT devices. Okay, these all are IoT devices. Okay, what is a sensor cloud means? It enables the data collection, storage, processing of sensors data from various resources. From what are the various resources means, such as IoT devices like smart cities, healthcare devices, industrial applications. What are the key components of the sensor cloud? Okay, key components. Key component of sensor cloud. Okay, key components. Okay, the first one is the WCN, wireless sensor network. What is the meaning of wireless sensor networks? The sensors collects environmental or system data. Okay, it collects what? It collects environmental or system data. Okay, generally sensors is nothing but what? Sensor is nothing but sensing the information. Same like this here also. Wireless WSN means wireless sensor networks collects various environmental or system data. Okay, the second one is cloud infrastructure. cloud infrastructure. Here what is the infrastructure duty? Here the infrastructure is means it is used to stores the data, process the data, and analyze the data. Okay, it is mainly used for stores the data, process the data, and analyze the data. And the third component is communication networks. Okay, what is the meaning of communication networks here? It enables a real-time data transmission from sender to receiver. Okay, provides or enables transmission between sender and receiver. Okay, with the help of Wi-Fi or 5G networks. Wi-Fi means what? Wireless networks only. So with the help of Wi-Fi. Okay, the next key component is user applications. The fourth one is user applications. What are the user applications? Okay, how user is interfacing, or how the user are using this wireless sensor networks means with the help of web devices, web browsers, mobile dashboards. These all are the user applications. Okay, these are the used for to monitor and analyze the sensor data. These are the four key components of the sensor cloud. Okay, next we will see working of sensor cloud. Okay, what is working of sensor cloud? Okay, working of sensor cloud. Here now what is the first step? Sensors capture the data from environment. Okay, sensors capture the data from environment. Okay, that is the first step. After capturing the data, what I have to do? After capturing the data is transmitted to cloud server through various communications. Okay, data. Second step is after collection, data will be transferred to cloud servers. ఎలా అవుతుంది? via communication network. Okay, and what is the next third step? After storing the data, what I have to do? We have to process the data, and later we have to analyze the data and store the data. Okay, after transfer the data to cloud service, cloud computing, process and analyze, and after processing to analyze the data, and after that stores the data. Okay, after finally stores the data. And what is the last step? After everything is completion, the data is available for user access. So the next one is the user access real-time data, real-time insights and analyticals. After analyzation, the results will be stored in the cloud service. That is the user access through applications. Okay, here these are the four steps for working of sensor cloud. What is the first step? Sensor captures the data from environment. Next one is the data transferred to the cloud server via communication network, and after transfer the data into cloud server, the data will be processed, analyzed and stores the data. And fourth step is the user access the real-time analyticals through the various applications. And what are the advantages? The first one is scalability. What is scalability? Scalability is nothing but it supports thousands of sensors across the different locations. Okay, so scalability means easily accessing. Okay, easily supports. Okay, huge number of support. Like so here thousands of, okay, supports what it supports, what it supports thousands of sensors from various places, from various places. Okay, the second one is cost efficiency. What is meaning of cost efficiency? It reduces the need of expensive on premises infrastructure. Okay, cost efficiency will be reduces. Okay, it is reduces the cost expenses. Okay, and the next one is real-time monitoring. Okay, what is the advantages here? If we are using cloud with sensors, we can real-time monitor the data, what is happening. Okay, here real-time monitoring real-time monitoring means what? It enables immediate responses to sensors the data. Suppose you have a CC camera at your home. If you are enable accessing the CC camera data at your mobile, then it is means then when you are moving from one from outside also, we are simply access the data. If any unethical thing is happening, then we can immediately respond. Okay, here also real time monitoring means here it is enables immediate responses to sensor data, immediate responses to sensor data. Okay, and next advantage is remote accessibility. Okay, next one is remote accessibility. Remote, okay, what is meaning of remote accessibility? User can monitor the sensors data from anywhere. Okay, just now we seen that real-time monitoring, it is also similar like that. The remote access means user can access sensor data anywhere, from anywhere, sensor data from anywhere. Okay, okay, the last one is, the last application is big data analyticals. Okay, what the meaning of big data analyticals means? Here AML predictive insights means leverages AI and ML data also analyticals. Okay, and the applications of sensor networks. What are the applications of sensor cloud? Applications of sensor cloud are, we have several applications. The first one is the smart cities. Okay, what the meaning of smart cities means? If you are, when you are using the sensor clouds, you can easily manage the traffic management. Okay, you can easily manage the traffic management as well as the air quality. Okay, air quality monitoring and smart lighting. Okay, if you are thinking that you can explain several smart things when you are using the sensor cloud. And the second sector is the healthcare also. Healthcare department also, you can remote the patient monitoring, wearable devices. Okay, and the third field is agriculture. When you are using smart sensors in clouds, you can precision of farming, soil moisture monitoring. In this criteria, sorry, in these fields also it is useful in the agriculture. And soil moisture monitoring. Okay, soil moisture monitoring. Okay, next one is the industrial IoT. What the meaning of industrial IoT means? We can also say IIoT. Okay, IoT means predictive maintenance and smart infrastructuring. And next one is the disaster management. Disaster management. What the meaning of disaster management means? In this one, food prediction, earthquake monitoring. If any emergency cases, it is useful in the disaster management situations. Okay, food predictions, any something fire accidents or earthquakes, any earthquakes happening at the time, you can say it is also one of the monitoring. Okay, this is about sensor cloud. Okay, if you like my video, okay, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Concept clear. Thank you everyone.